Check out this no doc $50,000 business line of credit approval that we got from one of our clients from Citizens Bank. Here's a $25,000 0% no doc business credit card for 12 months, also with Citizens Bank. And here is another $50,000 business line of credit with no docs. And in this video, I want to break down how to apply with Citizens Bank, the best way to get approved, what are the different products you can get, who qualifies, and more. Now, if you're new to the channel, Credit with Colin. I'm an 8-year United States Marine Corps veteran. I run a funding business with over 20 plus employees. We currently fund over $4 million in approvals per month for our clients. We're about to do maybe 5 or 6 million this month. We're about to break a record, but links to work with my team for a credit repair to fix your credit or to get you 100K plus in business funding, even help you deploy it into cash flowing assets, are in the pinned comment description below. As always, drop a comment, show some love and support, guys. We're going to drop a lot of value here in this video. I'm going to share some secret lenders with you, so be sure to stick around to the end. Now, Citizens Bank is a major bank. It's like the 10th largest bank in the country. You can see right here. And this is the locations, the footprint that they do. They're in Connecticut, Delaware, DC, Florida, Maryland, Massachusetts, Michigan, New Hampshire, New Jersey, New York, Ohio, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, Vermont, and Virginia. Now, this is a geo-restricted bank. You have to pretty much be in this geographical area to be able to apply for their business lending products. The only exception, we've worked with over a dozen different Citizens BRMs. I'm going to show you some of the stuff they talk about. The only exception is if you're making millions in revenue and you're going for a low doc or full doc, very large line of credit, like $1 million line of credit. Sometimes they can make exceptions and work with people nationwide. They do have a footprint outside of these areas. For example, they do have offices in California, right? But you won't see right here. And so Citizens Bank does have a 0% interest for 6 months business credit card and a 0% interest for 12 months business credit card. Now, there actually is a way to apply online. Right here, you'll see that it says get in touch. You have to submit a form, etc. Most people will just go in person and apply. They do have a backdoor link that you can actually click. You can apply online without a business checking account. Now, what we see actually working best is opening the business checking account with $2,000 or more and applying right there in person, same day in branch with a business banker for a business credit card or even a line of credit. Now let's talk about that. We actually had a client who applied for a $48,000 business line of credit online, no bank account, lived in Florida, and was approved with no financials, right? He then went on to open the checking account after the approval. Now, typically to secure this, you're going to want 760 plus strong FICO, utilization below 30% across all your personal cards, less than 3 inquiries in the last 6 months, an average age closer to 5 years across all your accounts, right? Pretty strong personal credit profile, at least a 10K limit on. The other thing you're going to want if you're going for Citizens is NAV Prime, and eCredible. This will give you 3 business trade lines because they do check your Experian business credit report. Now, another thing to know about Citizens, you do have to have 6 months in business in order to apply for their business lending products. You'll even see it on their website. And here's a guide that was given to us from a banker that we spoke with. And you'll see right here that it says that the lines of credit go up to $250,000 with low docs, with just 3 months of business bank statements, right? They also do term loans up to 150K without any financials. So the term loan can go no doc up to 150K. The BLOC generally, in our experience, this is going to be 50K and below is going to be no docs on the BLOC. The from 50K all the way to 250 is going to be low docs with 3 months bank statements. But I will tell you what the bankers tell you and what actually happens when you and your clients apply are often two completely very different things, right? And so in my experience, what I see from Citizens is that the BLOC is 50K and below, no docs, it can be. It is 50K to 100K with 3 months bank statement. And I often see 100 to $250,000 is 1 year tax return, low docs. And then again, they do have $1 million lines that we apply for with full documentation as well. It's a very good bank to work with. Now, we have had business relationship managers who have been able to get clients a $50,000 line of credit and a $35,000 card for a combined total of about $85,000 with no docs. Now, another thing a lot of our clients do, if you are not eligible for a business line of credit, they just go straight for the card, often getting $35,000 to $50,000 on the 0% card in branch, same day, etc. If you have a 2-year entity, you can kind of go for this stacked no doc play. Typically, the ceiling is about $85,000 on that one right there, right? Now, interest rates have been a little bit better since those approval. We're looking at prime plus 2 to 4, so 10% on the high end when doing this. Now, I want to show you guys this. Again, they have the 0% for 6, they have the 0% for 12. Minimum time in business, 6 months. Minimum credit score is 680, but I can tell you from experience, you really want to be closer to 730 plus. The banking world is getting more difficult. The average credit score in America right now is about a 717 if you Google it in 2026. You got to get to 730 plus. Optimize your profile, remove hard inquiries. We'll remove the hard inquiries done for you. All 3 bureaus. It's included in our school membership. If you want us to do that, we remove them every month for you. That's included in the monthly membership. Now, get to 730 plus, guys, if you want business funding. Add authorized users, close low quality accounts that are bringing down your average age and everything like that. Now, take a look at this. There's a company called Quantum Lending Solutions. And look, they provide the business lending application for some banks you might recognize: Associated Bank, Fifth Third, Comerica, and Citizens, right? And if you saw my last video, we talked about Comerica. Their website says no tax returns required. Right? It literally says it on their app. We've got a no doc approvals there. It also does it for Fifth Third, their Citizens Bank. So what I'm trying to say here is that if Citizens is offering no doc, if you saw my video years ago on Associated Bank, they do 3 months bank statement BLOCs. Comerica is doing no doc. Fifth Third and a lot of these banks are known to do no doc. So there's a whole group of no doc and low doc lenders that you could apply with. Quantum Lending Solutions even offers business loans and business lines of credit on their website. I will tell you, the interest rates are borderline predatory. You'll see right here that it starts at 15% for the term loan, and it's not starting 20% for the BLOC, right? And it does link to your bank account if you want to apply, which means it's not no doc really, right? So you're much better off applying with all of the banks that they provide the online portal AI underwriting for, like Fifth Third, Citizens, etc., that we mentioned in this video. So Citizens still is pulling mainly these days from Equifax and or personal experience as well. It's a great bank to go in person and secure a 0% card for $20 all the way up to $35,000 to $50,000. Often with no docs. Occasionally we'll ask you for 3 months bank statement and a potential no doc 50K business line of credit as well. Guys, if you want to work with my team and get you no doc BLOCs, get you 0% cards, we're funding some clients upwards of $700,000, $900,000. Link to do so is in a pinned comment description. Guys, drop a like, drop a comment, ask me anything in the comments. I answer every single question personally. We're not going to gatekeep. We're going to leave no stone left unturned. We're here to provide maximum value. We really do appreciate your viewership. Also, drop a comment. Let us know if you've been approved. What amount? What were the data points? How much were you approved for, etc. You know, share with the community, guys. We want to get as much funding as possible and leverage that funding, leverage OPM to build real wealth on this channel, guys. So that's what we're all about. So as always, guys, drop a like and a comment for your boy. We're coming out with a lot new sauce here in the weeks to come. So be sure to subscribe. It's Credit with Colin. I'll see you guys on the next one. Doses.